Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Doweling, this is Splinters to Planks. I'm going to do another reveal video for you. Like I said before in some of my other videos, these are just tools that I've been looking at. I've been looking to get these going for different builds that I have going on. You know, we do custom farmhouse tables. Been putting them together with biscuits and a biscuit joiner, which isn't bad. But I wanted to use a different kind of tool to put these together. So again, I went out and looked around, and this was a pretty good tool that I found. It is a dowel jig that I've been looking at, right? And this one, I think, I haven't looked inside of it, but I believe this is the one that I received that will allow you to do multiple size dowels. Again, when I do an actual build with these, I'll actually go into a little bit more depth, and I'll link that description down below, and vice versa. When we do it, I'll link back to this so you can see just the reveal. But I wanted to go through it just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like right out of the box and my impressions of it, right? So without further ado, here we go. It comes in a really nice box, well put together. This is a JessEm, by the way, a JessEm Doweling Jig. There's plenty of these things out on the market. There were some other ones that I looked at. This one was in my budget and what I wanted to do, right? This was a good tool for me. So this is the owner's manual. Again, as I've stated in my other ones, read your owner's manual, make sure you know how to use these tools, and I'll go into a little bit further detail when I do other builds, so we'll go through that. So first thing, I'm going to open up this big box because it looks like it's the most impressive piece here. It comes in nice packaging. They really did a good job. This looks like it's the main tool. It is. Oh wow, that's nice, and heavy duty made. Wow. Made in Canada by JessEm, right? So there's different doweling sizes here. It looks like it goes to 5/8 and 3/4, and just different spaces where you can put it. Again, I haven't used this tool before, so I don't know exactly how to use it. I've seen it online, so there's some other ones, and I'll link some descriptions to that as well. I'll link down in the description to those as well. This looks like it's probably the width of your board where you want your width to go, and then you have your drill guides here, and it uses a 3/8 inch drill bit, or actually it uses the different sizes that you want to use. So we'll look at that. That's a nice little piece there. We'll open this other box here, see what we got. Okay, here we go. So these are the actual drill bits that you use for each one of the collars. So it looks like it's got like a 3/8, probably a 5/8, and I don't know what this other size is here. It doesn't say. Here we go. Yes, this 1/2 inch. So your 1/2 inch has got a collar, so you can set your depth of how far you want the dowels to go. This is your 1/4 inch. Again, it has a collar. You set it how far you want it to go. And this one is it doesn't say here. I don't know what this one is. This is probably the 3/8 or the 5/8 that you want to use here. So again, it's a collar, nice packaging, very well built, at least from my opinion. It looks like, and it looks like we have the Allen wrench here that you need to use for your collars to move them up and down. And one last box. I don't know what's in this, so we'll open this one up. I'm going to set this aside, and it looks like, oh, look at this. So it looks like you have your different drill guides, right? So this is the 1/2 inch drill guide. So this looks like it makes 1/2 inch dowels. This one makes 3/8 inch dowels, and it looks like you take them out by, yes, there's Allen wrench holes, Allen wrench screws on the back side, Allen screws. You take those out to put your different drill guides in. And then it looks like we have a different drill guide here. This is for your 1/4 inch drill guide to make 1/2 inch size dowels. This one makes your, looks like, I'm not really sure what size that is, 1/2 inch probably. And then you have your 3/4 inch. Again, once I go into a project that has these, I'll go into more detail on how to use it. Just read the instruction manual. I haven't looked at the instruction manual, so I don't know exactly how it looks. I really just wanted you guys to check these things out. Very solidly made. Feels like stainless steel, just really solid pieces. And these are stops. If you don't know what these things are for, once you drill one, you put it in to make sure that it's perfectly even, so you're not going too far down the line. So you want your dowels in the right place. So you've got the, looks like the 1/2 inch collet there, and then the 5/8 collet, and then you have the 1/2 inch there. So, oh, this is 1/4 inch. Sorry, 1/4 inch. So again, this is just so you make sure that you go in the right spots. Oh, I see what these are. All right, so these are 1/2 inches away from each other. So as you go in, you can say how far you want to go, right? So if you want to go over 1 inch or 1/2 inch, that's what that's for. And this looks like these are 1 inch. So you put these 1 inch apart, probably because it'll take out too much wood if you don't do that, right? And these look like these are 3/4 inches away from each other, so you can figure out what size you want to use. And I believe, like I said before, this is probably just your thickness of your wood and where you want it to go if it's a 2-inch wood. But again, I'll go into more detail. If you guys want to know what model this is, it's model number 08350, and it's from JessEm. Really well built tool. I'm really excited to use this tool. This is something I've been wanting for a while. And it's going to be a really fun tool for me to use when we build the bigger stuff. So with that, again, if you like this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button. I'll put some links down to some other reveal videos you guys can go look at. And again, appreciate you joining. Thank you.